Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how can you import audio, video and images for editing in Shotcut. For doing that, the easiest way is just open up the folder and drag that into the playlist.
Hello guys,
Uh, you can actually where is the playlist? Like this. You can actually add multiple videos at the same time like this, and for editing just you have to drag it into the timeline.
hello
So
guys,
now this video is editable. The another way for doing that, just click on the open file and here you will get the options for accessing your whole PC. Just click on OK and here is the clip. Now for editing you have to add it to your timeline. So just drag it and like this and add it to the timeline. So this is how you can add video, audio and images in your Shotcut for editing purposes.